recently opened at Portmore. Kind of just gonna give you a little tour. We had to come over here and make a stop, so we're just gonna show you inside and see what's what. Okay?
Yes, journey with us. So people, this is Pricesmart Portmore. It's a bit smaller than the Red Hills branch.
I don't have a problem with it.
Spacious and big nevertheless. If you want to shop comfortably, come here in the afternoon.
Yeah, Sunday afternoon is the best stroll.
Oh, don't come here in the afternoon.
Oh yeah, don't come. It's not open. No,
it's not open.
This is actually a Thursday. Like what? What?
Pricesmart is for Pricesmart is for bulk shopping. If you're not shopping in bulk, don't come.
You're so loud. So this is where you get your spices. I don't know if they have all their seasoning. You can come and get your seasoning. Did what? What him do?
Then pick up the boat.
Ratty, them line it up, wow.
This is the back and this is the front. You turn it like this. You see the front.
And that's what they do them, you know. Cherry Huts nuts.
Nuts.
Alright. Alright guys, so we're outside of
Outside, and them outside.
yeah, so that's pretty much it. How Pricesmart Portmore is. Just a small quick tour, I guess. As I said, we had some things to pick up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little, I guess, community tour. New building, Pricesmart tour. Yeah guys. Bye guys.